Good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home, taking proper care of yourself. Students, today we are going to start one new chapter. Okay, so quickly take out your English grammar book, one pencil and eraser. Okay, so today we are going to start chapter number 14, and the name of the chapter is Doing Words. Okay, so what are doing words? Doing words means action words, जिसमें कोई कार्य हो रहा हो, कोई काम हो रहा हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ईटिंग, स्लीपिंग, स्विमिंग, जंपिंग. ओके, सो स्लीपिंग इज ऑल्सो अ एक्शन वर्ड. सोना भी एक एक्शन है, एक चीज जिसमें कोई कार्य हो रहा हो, जैसे खाना खाना, सोना, जंप करना, दौड़ना, बोलना, टॉकिंग, रीडिंग, राइटिंग. दीज ऑल आर एक्शन वर्ड्स. Okay, so in this exercise, what we have to do, fill in the blanks with suitable words. Take words from the box below. Okay, so word box is given over here, and we have to select the words from the box which is suitable for the blank. Okay, so now we are going to start the exercise. See, box is given over here, this one. Okay, so the first one is hens dash eggs. What hens do? Hen lay eggs. Okay, so lay will come in first plan. Now the second one, soldier. Soldiers dash for their country. What soldiers do? Soldiers fight for their country. Okay, so fight will come in blank number 2. Now the third one, aeroplanes dash in the sky. Aeroplanes fly in the sky. Okay, this will come in third blank. Now the fourth one, farmers dash crops. What farmers do? Farmers grow. Okay, grow will come in fourth blank. Now the fifth one, birds dash in nets. What birds do in the nest? Birds live in the nest. Okay, so live will come in fifth blank. Now the sixth one, boats dash on water. Boats wear on water or boats sail on water? Boats sail on water. Okay, sail will come in sixth. Now the last one, we dash woolen clothes in winter. We wear woolen clothes in winter. Okay, this will come in seventh blank. Okay, so this is very simple lesson. What are action words? Action words means जिसमें कोई कार्य हो रहा हो, कोई काम हो रहा हो. Okay kids, so we had done this exercise. Now the next. Now in this exercise, what we have to do, circle the doing words in these sentences. So sentences are given over here, and what we have to do, we have to recognize the action words, doing words. Okay, the sun rises in the east. तो sun क्या कर रहा है? Rise हो रहा है. Okay, so rise will be the doing word. Circle this word, rises. Now the second one, flies spread many diseases. Okay, flies means मक्खियाँ, spread करना, फैलाती हैं बहुत सारी diseases, बीमारियां. तो क्या कर रही हैं flies? इसमें फैला रही हैं. Okay, spread कर रही हैं. So spread will be the doing word. Now the third one, it rains heavenly in July and August. Okay, सो जुलाई और अगस्त में क्या हो रहा है? रेन हो रही है. ओके, बारिश हो रही है. रेन विल बी द doing word. Now the fourth one, the crow carried away the piece of bread. So what crow has done? Crow carried away. Carry कर रहे. Okay, so carried will be the action word, doing word. Now the fifth one, a bricklayer makes wall. What he do? He is making. Now the sixth one, we played a badminton match yesterday. So played will be the doing word. Now the seventh one, goats eat leaves and grass. What goats eat? Goats eat. Now the eighth one, the sweeper swept the floor. Sweeper ने क्या किया? Floor को swept किया, पोछा. Okay, so swept will be the doing word. Okay kids, I hope you all understood this. Now in this exercise, what we have to do, underline the doing words in this passage. So in the previous exercise, sentences was given and we have to circle the doing words. Now in this exercise, passage is given over here, and now what we have to do, we have to underline the doing words. Okay, Geetu goes to school on time. Geetu school time पे जाती है. So goes will be the doing word. She does her homework regularly. She does. She respects her parents and teacher. What she is doing? She is respecting. She respects. She help her mother in the kitchen. What she is doing? Helping. She keeps her room tidy. What she is doing? She keeps. She always speak the truth. Now what she is doing? She is speaking. She sings beautifully. Sing will be the doing word. Everybody likes Geetu. So likes will be the doing words. Okay kids. So this is very simple chapter. Now we are going to start one new chapter 15, and the name of the chapter is are am. So why we are doing this together? Because the next chapter is related with doing words and is are am. Okay. So what is given over here? When we can use am, we use am with only I. Okay. With I, we always use am. And when we can use are, with we, you, they, the boys means plural word. The girls means plural word. Okay, more than one. Okay, so with these words we use are, and we use is with he, she, and with one person or one animal. Okay, so kids, now we are going to start the exercises. So you all know what we have to do. हम are कब यूज करते हैं? are हम हमेशा we के साथ, you के साथ, they के साथ, और जब persons one से ज्यादा हो, ये animals या thing one से ज्यादा हो, तब हम are यूज करते हैं. हम am हमेशा I के साथ यूज करते हैं, और is हमेशा हम he, she और वन पर्सन वन एनिमल के साथ यूज करते हैं. ओके किड्स, सो हमें ये थ्री बेसिक रूल्स याद करने हैं कि हम कब कब इनको यूज कर सकते हैं. इफ अगर हमने ये लर्न कर लिया तो हम आगे की एक्सरसाइजेस खुद से कर सकते हैं. ओके किड्स, now in this exercise what we have to do, filling the blanks with is, are or am. ओके, सो हमने लर्न कर लिया कि is, are, am हमें कब यूज करना है. सो अभी आगे की एक्सरसाइजेस बहुत हेल्पफुल होंगी. आई डैश रितुस ब्रदर. सो आई के साथ हमेशा क्या आता है? am. am. I dash in class 2. I के साथ क्या आता है? am. I am in class 2. Now the second sentence, Ritu dash my sister. Ritu means one person. So one person के साथ is use होता है. Ritu is my sister. She dash in a play school. She के साथ भी is आता है. So kids, कितना इजी है फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स ये फिल करना, अगर हमने लर्न कर लिया है कि इज, आर, एम किस वर्ड्स के साथ आता है. ओके, नाउ द थर्ड वन, आवर पेरेंट्स डैश वेरी फाउंड ऑफ अस. आवर पेरेंट्स मीन्स मोर देन वन, सो आवर पेरेंट्स आर वेरी फाउंड ऑफ अस. वी डैश प्राउड ऑफ आवर पेरेंट्स. वी के साथ क्या आता है? आर. We are proud of our parents. Okay, so this is very simple kids. Now the next sentence is you dash good at playing carom. So you के साथ क्या आता है? are. You are good at playing carom. I dash not. I के साथ क्या आता है? am. I am not. Now the sixth one, Jimmy dash my friend. Jimmy means we are talking about one person. So is आएगा, Jimmy is my friend, और he के साथ भी is आता है. He is my neighbor also. Now the seventh one, there dash no clouds in the sky. So clouds, there are no clouds in the sky. Now the eighth one, this tea dash not hot. This tea is not hot and there is no sugar in it. I am sorry, I cannot drink it. Okay kids, so I hope you all understood this. Now the next, filling the blanks with is, are or am. So here what we have to do, we have to filling the blank with is or are or am. So I के साथ हमेशा क्या आता है? Am. I am fond of apples. Papa says apples. Apples means more than one. So are will come. Apples are good for health. A fridge. Fridge means one. A fridge is always full of apples. Now the second one, Tanu and Amit. So we are talking about two persons. So are will come. Are my cousins. Tanu means one person. Tanu is fair and tall. Her eyes means more than one. So are will come. Her eyes are black. Her hair, so is will come, black and curly. Amit means one. Amit is also tall, but he के साथ क्या आता है? Is. He is thin. Okay kids, so one person के साथ is आएगा और more than one person के साथ are आएगा. Her पापा, I के साथ आएगा am. I am very hungry. Papa, Pinky dash you also hungry. Pinky, are you also hungry? Pinky, yes, Papa, I am hungry too. Papa dash you happy now. Are you happy now? Pinky, yes, Papa. We के साथ क्या आता है? Are. We are happy. Okay kids, so this is very simple. अगर जो स्टार्टिंग में मैंने पेज दिखाया था उसमें बताया था am हमेशा I के साथ आता है. We, you, they और more than one person, more than one animal के साथ are आता है और he, she के साथ is आता है और one person के साथ भी is आता है. Okay kids. Now जो हमने प्रीवियस 2 लेसन किए थे वो कौन से थे? डूइंग वर्ड्स. डूइंग वर्ड्स मीन्स एक्शन वर्ड्स, जिसमें कोई कार्य हो रहा हो, कोई काम हो रहा हो. और हमने नेक्स्ट लेसन किया था इज, आर, एम का कहाँ यूज करते हैं. नाउ दिस इज द नेक्स्ट लेसन जो इन दोनों लेसन से रिलेटेड है. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर डूइंग इट टुगेदर. इज, आर, एम विथ आईएनजी फॉर्म ऑफ द डूइंग वर्ड्स. ओके, सो अभी जो दोनों प्रीवियस लेसन हमने किए यूज का कॉम्बिनेशन में. ओके किड्स, सो हमने प्रीवियस लेसन में भी लर्न किया था कि आई के साथ एम आता है, वी, यू, दे के साथ आर आता है और वन पर्सन के साथ ही, शी के साथ इज आता है. ओके, सो नाउ इसमें डूइंग वर्ड्स कैसे लगेंगे वो हम देखेंगे. ओके, filling the blanks with is, are or am and the ing form of suitable doing word. Take doing words from those given at the end. Okay, so words are given over here. So what we have to do, we have to fill it. See, words are given over here. In this box, words are given over here and we have to select the words from here and we have to write it over there. Okay kids. Now, the monkey dash up the tree. The monkey means one. So what we are going to write here is the monkey is dash up the tree. So climb word दिया हुआ है और हमको क्या करना है? climb word ही लिखना है और हमें क्या ऐड करना है? ing. Okay, climbing. The monkey is climbing up the tree. Okay, kids, I will upload all these pages in the study material section so you can check it from there also. Now, Vicky is happy. He के साथ क्या आता है? Is. He is smiling. So, smile word is written over there, and what we are going to do? We are going to add ing. Okay. Pooja dashed the piano. Pooja means one person. So, is will come. Pooja is प्ले लिखा है वहां पर और हम क्या करेंगे ing ऐड कर देंगे. पूजा इज प्लेइंग द पियानो. ओके किड्स. नाउ द नेक्स्ट. टीना, what are you doing? Amit, I. So with I, which word will come? Am. I am dash my pencil. I am sharpening. sharpening. Sharpening my pencil. Stars. Stars means more than one. So R will come. Stars are twinkling. Now the sixth one. It is Sachin's birthday. His parents. Parents means more than one. Are decorating. decorating. Mama. Mama means one. So Mama is knitting. Ting. Now Mrs. Sharma. Mrs. Sharma means one. Mrs. Sharma is washing. Okay. The boys means more than one. So R will come. The boys are swimming in the pool. Okay. Students, I will upload all these pages in the study material section so you can check the spellings from there. Okay, kids? Now, this is the last exercise of the chapter. Complete the story using is, are or am and the ing form of a suitable doing word. Take doing words from those given below. Okay, kids? So here, the picture is given over here and we have to see the picture and we have to fill the correct word. Okay. Sanjay dash his birthday. Sanjay is one person, so is will come. Sanjay is celebrate is written over here. What we have to do? We have to add ing. Okay. Sanjay is celebrating his birthday. Some children. Children means more than one, so R will come. Some children are wearing fancy caps. Sanjay is dash behind the table. Sanjay is, what will come over here? Standing behind the table. There is a cake on the table. Sanjay has cut the cake. Nitesh, so one person. Nitesh is dash a piece of cake. So Nitesh is eating a piece of cake. Tanuja, one. Tanuja is dash a Pepsi. Tanuja is drinking a Pepsi. Sonu wants sandwiches. Mrs. Gupta, one. Mrs. Gupta is dash him sandwiches. Is giving him sandwiches. Naman has two red balloons. He, with word he, is dancing. Neeru dash a song. Neeru means one person. Neeru is singing a song. Some children are dash. Some children are laughing. Mr. Gupta dash a photograph. Mr. Gupta is taking a photograph. Okay, kids? So, with one person, is will come. With more than one person, are will come. Okay, kids? और जो सारे words है उसमें हमें ing add करने हैं. Okay, kids? So, we had finished all these lesson, all the 3 lesson, doing words, is, are, am lesson, and is our am with doing words. Okay, kids, I hope you all understood this. What are doing words? Doing words means action word जिसमें कोई कार्य हो रहा हो, कोई काम हो रहा हो. And when to use is our am? Am हमेशा I के साथ यूज होता है. Is हमेशा he, she and with one person or one animal के साथ यूज होता है. और are कब यूज होता है? With he, you, they and with more than one person. Okay, kids. I hope you all understood this. If you find any of the difficulty, then you can note it down in your notebook and you all can ask me in the clarification class. Okay, kids, I hope you all are taking good care of yourself. Goodbye, students. Take care.